Answering the question whether the Fisher & Paykel double dish drawer and single dish drawer are worth the money. Fisher & Paykel is the originator of the dish drawer. It's allowed a lot of flexibility in terms of where you're going to put a dishwasher. They offer this as an ADA, meaning a shorter height unit for European style cabinets with the larger toe kicks. You can use this as a single application in either a left and right of sink application, or you can put this in a bar. You can put this in a bedroom atmosphere if you have a wet bar or a coffee bar. So there's a lot of places that you can put either the single or double, which will fit in a standard dishwasher space. The big thing to consider when you're looking at possibly buying the Fisher & Paykel drawer is how you're going to use it. This unit will hold 6 place settings easily. You don't want to overload it. We have a tendency to overload our dishwashers. This is designed not to be overloaded. We have one wash arm on the bottom, nothing on the top, and it does a good job of cleaning as long as you don't overload it. As I said, 6 place settings. It's great for glassware. It's great for standard plates. This larger, taller drawer will handle the 12-inch diameter plates. You can put pots and pans in. You got to watch though in terms of size-wise, because there's not a lot of extra space. Now, if you get the double drawer that'll fit in a standard space, you do have the option of going with the taller height on the taller drawer, and you've got a shorter height in the bottom. But they also offer this, as I said, in an ADA, which is, it can be used for European style applications with the larger toe kick, as I said, a 6-inch toe kick, or as a replacement if you've added a tile floor or another floor on top, which has cut our height down from the floor to the bottom of the counter below the 34.5-inch height. So overall, they're nice dishwashers as long as you don't overload them. You can do separate loads, which is nice. So if you have pots and pans, or if you have really dirty dishes, and if you have glassware, you want to keep those separate, you can do that. If there's only 1 or 2 people at home and you only want to run, a partial load, you can do that very easily. They're very quiet. They've worked very well over the years. They've been out since 1997, so it's not like this is a new product. This has been around for quite a while. So if you want more information about the Fisher & Paykel single or double dish drawer, go to donsappliances.com. Thank you for watching.